Hello Digibyte holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the DGB coin. The DGB coin danger move is coming soon, so how you can save yourself from a danger move, because now the crash is coming soon in the DGB coin. So absolutely keep watching this video complete, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can save yourself from loss, my friends. Anyways, now this time my friends, if you talk about the price of the DGB coin Digibyte, so 0.043752 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Digibyte. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Digibyte, so now the latest last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and only the last 1 week changes is also positive, my friends. Only the yesterday changes is negative, so that's a note of a big loss, my friends. The big crash, the big falls of the DGB is coming soon, and you know what, my friends, for a 1 week this crash will continue, my friends. For 1 week the price of DGB coin is completely going down, so be safe from those, my friends. We can't say about the future, maybe the price will pump, but that's only my personal prediction about DGB coin, my friends. And you can see it from price chart. I think that the funding time of the DGB coin also start now this time the price is going down, my friends. Anyways, my friends, how do you feel today about the DGB coin, and what do you think about this move? Please also tell your opinion in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends. And how you can save yourself from loss, my friends. I think that only way to save yourself from loss, hold DGB coin for one day, for 1 month. Absolutely you will get a high amount of profit, my friends, if you hold DGB coin for 1 month, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more updates and news videos.